Hi, welcome to another Care & Co tutorial. In this video, we're showing you how to make your own Beadable Bar keychain. All the supplies you need to make your own can be found on our website, including ready-made kits. If you love crafting like we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be the first to see more videos and tutorials from Cara Supply. Let's get started. To make your own beadable bar, you will need 1 beadable bar in the finish of your choice, approximately 5 beads of your choice, and silicone or acrylic will work. To make your beadable bar, simply twist off the end cap of your beadable bar keychain and set it aside. Slide your beads onto the metal rod in your preferred order. Make sure to leave enough space for the rod threading to go back into the cap. Once all your beads are on, twist the end cap back on to your beadable bar keychain, making sure that it's nice and tight. That's really all it takes. It's so simple. Beadable bars are the perfect accessory to mix both silicone and acrylic beads together. Come back and craft with us again. Make sure you check out more videos and tutorials on our YouTube channel. Happy crafting!